Hey beautiful beings, welcome to new episode. My name is Maja, I'm a writer, therapist and spiritual teacher. Today I will share with you how to manage guilt when setting boundaries. This is so important. First of all, remember the guilt you feel is unearned. Those that have hurt you should feel guilty. Instead of taking accountability and working on themselves, they might make you feel bad. So you do what they want. This is a form of control, also, and manipulation. Also, explore where your guilt comes from. Why do you feel it so often? Who benefits from your guilt? Learn to sit with your discomfort. Notice your guilt, but don't act on it. Instead of being controlled by your emotions, give yourself what you need. Remind yourself that you are not a bad person for protecting yourself or putting yourself first. You have the right to distance yourself from those that hurt you. Your needs matter. So protect your peace. And for more resources and information about this topic, visit my website and subscribe to my channel. Um, Thanks for watching and take care of yourself. Have a lovely day.